Hello students, welcome to electrochemistry lecture part 4. In this part we are going to learn some numerical based questions. Based on two concepts. The first concept is the relationship between molar conductivity lambda m and specific conductance or conductivity K. The mathematical form between these two, that depends on the unit of conductivity K. So when K, that is specific conductance or conductivity given in the form of Simon centimeter inverse, under that condition our mathematical form is going to be molar conductivity lambda m is equal to 1000 K divided by concentration in molarity, and unit of lambda m under this condition is going to be Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Similarly, when K is given in Simon meter inverse, that is SI unit of conductivity K, under that condition relationship formula is going to be molar conductivity lambda m is equal to K divided by 1000 concentration in molarity, and unit of molar conductivity is going to be Simon meter square mole inverse, that is SI unit of molar conductivity. This is the first concept on which we are going to solve some numerical questions. And the second concept is specific conductance or conductivity itself, and its mathematical form is given as K is equal to 1 by R into L by A, where L by A is also called as cell constant. So let us see the first one. The conductivity of 0.2 molar solution of KCl at 298 Kelvin is found to be 0.0248 Simon centimeter inverse. Calculate molar conductivity. Okay. First let us write down the values they given. They given conductivity, that is 0.0248 Simon centimeter inverse. They given molar concentration, that is 0.2 molar, and they asked us to calculate molar conductivity, that is lambda m. So we have to calculate lambda m. They given concentration also 0.2 molar. Now we have to write mathematical form that gives relationship between conductivity K and molar conductivity lambda m. So which mathematical form we have to write? That is based on the unit of conductivity. Simon centimeter inverse they given. Then we under this condition we can write lambda m is equal to 1000 K divided by molarity, concentration in terms of molarity, that formula. So let us substitute the respective values. K value, that is 0.0248, and molarity 0.2. So when we do that and when we solve that, we end with the molar conductivity lambda m is equal to 124 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Now let us see the second numerical based question. The resistance of conductivity cell containing 0.001 molar KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is found to be 1500 ohm. What is the cell constant, they asked. So we have to calculate cell constant if conductivity or specific conductance of same concentrated solution is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse. Okay, now let us write down the values. They given concentration, they given resistance, they given conductivity. Okay, so given molarity, concentration, that is 0.01 molar, resistance 1500 ohm, and conductivity 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so now they given here conductivity, even they given resistance. Okay, using that one let us calculate the cell constant. We know the formula, K is equal to 1 by R into L by A. R is given, and we ask to calculate a cell constant, that is L by A. Even conductivity is also given. So these two we can substitute and we can calculate this cell constant L by A. Okay, so let us substitute. cell constant is equal to K into R. Let us substitute the values. 1500 ohm, that is resistance, and 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse, that is conductivity. So when we solve this, we end with the answer 0.219 centimeter inverse. Now let us move to the next question. Resistance of a conductivity cell filled with 0.02 molar KCl solution is 520 ohm. Okay. Calculate conductivity. So we have to calculate K. Calculate molar conductivity. We have to calculate lambda m. For that they given cell constant value 1.29 centimeter inverse, and it is a question from previous year question paper of March 2016. Okay, let us write down whatever they given. So here they given two things. One is they given molar concentration, and they given resistance, and even they given cell constant. Okay, three things they given. So molarity of the solution is 0.02 molar, resistance is 520 ohm, they mentioned here, and cell constant is 1.29 centimeter inverse. So using cell constant and resistance, first let us calculate conductivity, and once we calculate conductivity, students, let us calculate molar conductivity. So what we can write, K is equal to 1 by R into L by A. These two things we have to calculate. K is equal to 1 by R into L by A, and let us substitute the values. Resistance is 520 ohm, and this L by A, I already told it is also called as cell constant, and let us substitute 1.29 centimeter inverse. When we solve this, we end with the answer, that is 0.002480 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. See, Simon and ohm inverse both are same, so it is Simon centimeter inverse, that is a unit of K. When that is a unit of K, then lambda m should be, lambda m is equal to 1000 K divided by molarity. So substitute K value, that is 0.002480, and molarity is 0.02. Here it is given. When we solve that, we end with the lambda m molar conductivity 124 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. That is the answer. I hope that you understood how to solve this numerical question. Now let us move to the next question. This type of questions are very important for competitive exam students. So concentrate and listen. Resistance of a conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter, nothing but molarity. 0.1 molar KCl solution is 100 ohm. So 0.1 molar KCl solution has 100 ohm resistance. Okay. If the resistance of same cell when filled with 0.02 molar KCl solution is 520 ohm, so same KCl solution but concentration is different. So when concentration changes, its resistance also changes, students. So they asked us to calculate conductivity and molar conductivity K and lambda m of 0.02 molar KCl solution. Okay, they given conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl solution is 1.29 Simon per meter. Okay, students, this question has two parts. The first part related to 0.1 molar KCl solution, and second part related to 0.02 molar KCl solution. See why this first part is given. See, by using 0.1 molar KCl solution that has a resistance 100 and conductivity 1.29, we have to calculate a cell constant L by A. Once I calculate cell constant L by A using resistance 520 ohm of 0.02 molar solution, I can calculate its conductivity K, and once I calculate K for the same concentrated solution, I can calculate its molar conductivity lambda m. So let us solve this step by step. First one, let us write down the values. Molar concentration 0.1 molar, its corresponding resistance is 100 ohm, its corresponding conductivity K is 1.29 Simon meter inverse. See here, unit is Simon meter inverse. Okay, now let us use K is equal to 1 by R into L by A. So this is L by A, cell constant, R is resistance, K is conductivity. So let us substitute this conductivity here, resistance here. Let us calculate L by A in the first step. Okay, cell constant is equal to K into R, and K is 1.29 Simon meter inverse, resistance is 100 ohm. When I solve that, see, Simon can be written as ohm inverse, I told. So this ohm inverse and ohm, they cancel, remaining is meter inverse. Okay, so let us use the same formula for the second case. Cell constant already fixed, it is known, and resistance is 520 ohm. Let us calculate K. So let us use the same here. For the second solution, we have 0.02 molar concentration, resistance is 520 ohm. We have to calculate K and lambda m both. So once again the same formula, K is equal to 1 by R into L by A. L by A already we calculated and we kept it ready, and resistance they have only given R value. So R value is equal to 520 ohm. So we can calculate K. So substitute that one. R value is 520 ohm, cell constant is 129 meter inverse. So when I solve, I end with K 0.2480 Simon meter inverse or ohm inverse meter inverse. So when unit is Simon meter inverse, we have to write lambda m and K relation in which 1000 present in the denominator. So lambda m is equal to K divided by 1000 into molarity. Now let us substitute the respective values. K value we already known, 0.2480, 1000, molarity already for this concentrated solution, which one, 0.02. So when I solve, I end with 0.0124 Simon meter square mole inverse. I hope that you people understood. So once again, I repeat, this type of questions are very important for competitive exam. Concentrate and learn. Thank you, students.